A simple way of finding the square is exhibited here. Welcome to Math World. A plus b the whole square equals a square plus 2ab plus b square is a well-known identity. Everybody knows this identity, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. But we are trying to find a way of finding the square of numbers using this identity. Here the terms are the right expression we are looking at, then the terms are a square, 2ab and b square. Here I am considering 11 square. You know 11 square, I am using that one. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 1. So that a square is equal to 1, 2ab equals 1 into 2 and b square equals 1. So 11 square becomes 1, 2, 1, 121. 12 square. Here I am taking a as 1 and b as 2. A square becomes 1, 2ab becomes 4, b square becomes 4. So that 12 square becomes 144. Here 13 square, then a becomes 1, b becomes 3. So that a square becomes 1, 2ab becomes 6 and b square becomes 9. So we are getting 13 square equals 169. Then let us look at 14 square. In 14 square, a equals 1, b equals 4. So that a square is equal to 1, 2ab becomes 8 and b square becomes 16. Then I write it as 1, 8, 16. But here the last bracket has 2 digits. I am taking that 1 to the left side. So it becomes 196. That's the square of 14. Then how can we find the square of 15? That is, it is already written there, the 15 square. A becomes 1, b equals 5. So that a square becomes 1, 2ab becomes 10 and b square becomes 25. I write as it is 1, 10, then 25. We have to reduce these brackets to single digit. So I am taking this 1 to 10. Then this becomes 1, 12, 5. Okay, happy. Only to reduce this one. What should do? We have to take the 1 to the left side. So that it becomes 1 plus 1. I put a arrow to show this. 1 plus 1, 2, 2, 2. Very good. So you got 15 square as 225. That is 225. Now we must take this for 16 square. 16 square, it is already proved it. 16 square is 256. We have to check it is getting this or not. Here a equals 1 and b equals 6. Then our next number is 16 square, which is equal to, as it is 1 square, 1 into 2 into 6. Next 6 square. It is 1, it is 12, put in bracket, and it is 32. 6. This becomes 1, 15, 6. This becomes 2, 5, 6. Thus, we have to 16 square as 256. Then 17 square. What is 17 square? 1 square, 1 into 2 into 7, 7 square. What is 1 square is 1? It is 14. It is 49. As we did earlier, it becomes 18, 9. Next it is 2, 8, 9. So 17 square equals 289. 289. You got it now. Try 18 square, 19 square, 20 square, 21 square, 22 square. It is 484. So it is left for you to do. But we do 23 square. 23 square. As usual, instead of we write it's 3 square 9. 2 into 3 6 is double is 12. You put 1 over there. 2 square 4. So the answer is 529. It's not easy. So from different steps you are coming to one step. It is 529. Suppose it's 2 4 square. It becomes 4 square is 16. You write 6 there. Carry 1 there. 2 4s are 8. It's double 16. Carry 1. 2 2s are 4. Add 5 7 6. 576. Then 24 square you got 576 and 25 square. 25 square. It is 25 square is 5 square 25, adding putting 2 there. 2 into 5 10 is double is 20. You put 0 there. You have 2 there. 2 square 4. Add, you got 6 25. Then 26 square. What is 26 square? Then square is 6 square 36. 3 there, carry 3. 2 6 are 12. 12 is double is 14. Sorry, 24. 24. I'm putting 4 there. Then 2 squares 4. Your answer is 6 7 6. Then 27 square, 28 square, 29 square, 30 square is left for you.